Hey, this is Steve LaRue with the LaRue team of realtors at LaRue Real Estate. Hey, I want to show you where I'm going to be tomorrow at an open house from 1 to 3. That's 1 to 3 on Saturday. We have this great cul-de-sac location. We're at 5611 Fort Laramie Court. We're in the Oregon Trail subdivision out by Rock Chalk Park. Let's go inside. This is not a brand new home, but it is just about as close as you'll get. About 3 years old, built by LMK Construction. These custom cabinets, lots of windows, fireplace. We've got an office slash bedroom here at the front, as well as the hall bath, granite countertops, all the appliances stay, stainless steel, gas range. I'm not magic, but I do know a couple tricks. Check out this pantry. Light comes on automatically. Kind of a neat little trick. Got a laundry room. You can have granite and laundry. 3-car, large 3-car garage. Try not to get you dizzy here too much. Located here on the main level, we do have our master bedroom back here. Nice bright windows. Love this bathroom. Nice big deep jetted tub. And we also have this walk-in shower. Custom tile. Water closet, and then a great closet. Off the kitchen here we have this really nice covered deck. Obviously today, when it was -3 this morning, it's not the best day for outdoor entertaining, but you'll definitely love this come spring, summertime. Right now we will head downstairs. Got this daylight basement, family room down here. Got a little under the stairs storage area. We have 2 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms down here. Great light. This is the hall bathroom, still with the granite counters. Back here, it's almost like its own suite. Walk-in closet. Bedroom. We have another closet here as well. And then its own private attached bath. Quite a bit of closet space for this bedroom. Also here in the basement we have some really good storage area and a bonus room. So here's our storage area. Goes way back there. Extremely high efficient furnace, air conditioner, extra insulation on the walls. other end of this hallway, we have what could be a office or a workout room, whatever you'd want to use it as. Finished storage if you wanted. We have just a little unfinished closet back here. You get a little extra storage and room for the sump pump as well. All right, so that's where I'm going to be on Saturday, February 15th from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 5611 Fort Laramie Court. We are priced at $425,000. Come check it out and buy this house.